Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad that you're here with me today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe and ring the bell down below. That would be great. I'm really inching forward to 1,600 subscribers. And it's a sunny day, and if I sit forward, you get the cool artsy graphic lines on my face. So I'm going to be sitting back a little today. So I don't have the sun in my eyes. It is a beautiful sunny day here in the KY. That's the state, not the jelly. And today we are going to be doing my Boxycharm Base Box. Woo! It's very exciting. I can't wait to see what's in here. I do not remember what I picked, but I remember that it wasn't that fantastic. But this is a nice hefty box. It's got a lot of heft to it. It's got some weight. And it is spellbound, spellbound. Whoa! It's a song that I'm singing that's really obscure that you don't know. But for those who might know, you might have enjoyed it. But anyway, so Spellbound is the name of the box. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is just a piece of paper. It looks like we got some good stuff in here. I'm going to get my calculator and my spectacles, and we will see what this $25 a month box is worth this month. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items like usual. And the first thing I'm picking up is Tres Luce Beauty I Am Almost. And this is a shadow palette. Let's see. And it says, the complete eye set that includes everything you need for eye-catching look. The I Am Alma palette features a combination of 6 matte and shimmer shades from the I Am Shadow palette, the perfect on-the-go travel size. The set also includes a pair of beautiful vegan reusable lashes. Nice. Complimentary to every eye size. MSRP $25. Let's get in here and see what's what. All right, it's in nice tissue paper. Oh, these are some nice lashes. See them against my forehead. They're nice size. I don't really do the lashes. I don't have the patience. I should learn, but I just haven't. And this is a cute little petite palette. And very wearable colors. Let me just take that little, oh, there we go. It's very cute. Oh, I just dug the corner of the plastic in. I guess that's mine now. Oops, I hate it when that happens. I do that all the time. But anyway, that's a cute little palette. Great for travel. And the eyelashes, let's put them all together. I don't want to lose them. $25, it seems reasonable for a nice pair of lashes and a palette. Oh, this is what I think I chose, was the Tres Luce Beauty Like an Artist, an Artista palette, brushes. And it says that pack on the pigment or blend as much as you need. Professional quality vegan mixed fiber brushes. Let's see if I can get these to show up a little bit. They look pretty nice. I'm not taking them all the way out of the package. Blend as much as you need. Professional quality vegan mix of texture fibers make it easy, perfect for your ideal look. The set includes the B100 Deluxe Blending Brush, B100 Classic Blending Brush, the B102 Angled Blending Brush, and there's another brush in here. Oh, there is another brush in here. And the B121 Rounded Pencil Brush for $27. Well, just trust me, there's another brush in there. All right. That was very difficult for some brushes. Louie, get down. He is the king of the world. He must see the other black kitty. Get down. they like to climb up while I'm doing my show. Let's see. And from Pinky Rose, this is adorbs. It looks like a little boom box. It says Pump Up Your Base, 2 multi-use makeup sticks. Pinky Rose Cosmetics. And it says a cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on eyelids as an eyeshadow or primer for your eyeshadow. It can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together separately, $20. The other one didn't want to come out. Why is everything so difficult? Those are cute. This is a nice shimmery bronze color, I think. I think these would be nice to use. I've been getting into liquid eyeshadow. Easy for me to say. And I think this is the next progression. So I'm interested in playing with those and seeing what's what. And then we have 2 more things. Two more things. And I'll do this next. And this is from Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes. What's in it? Pore Refining Witch Hazel. Pore Refining Witch Hazel. Ooh, 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 ooh. And there's a lot to be said about these makeup wipes according to this card. Oh my God, these are $20? That's insane. Simplify your makeup routine with these 2-in-1 wipes to gently remove makeup impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Swipe cloth against skin gently to remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. Don't you worry about rinsing. It's all fine. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone, 100% biodegradable. Well, it's good that they're biodegradable. But $20? I don't think so. That's crazy. And then last but not least, the thing I was looking forward to the most, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. And this is sealed. I'm glad I kept my scissors out. Because I love Glow Recipe. And if it wasn't for Boxycharm, I never would have tried Glow Recipe. All right. Things are difficult to get into today. Oh, it's so beautiful and shimmery. It shimmers. You see it shimmer in the light. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, and it's got a little pump. Ooh. It's like a nice little gel. That is very cool. I'll rub it on both the back of my hands. And it is very glistening and moisturizing. Just put it all over my hands. It cannot hurt my hands. And this highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs and makes it suitable for all skin types. Use as a hydrating, highlighting serum before moisturizer as the last step of your routine. $34. And I'm not sure that I added up everything correctly, but I guess it's right. It's the value. I'm going to redo the value. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and the value is $126. And I think that's you know, on the low end of the box value, but we got these really fancy expensive wipes. We got the beautiful Glow Recipe Highlight Moisturizer. We got the lashes and the palette. We got the 2 eye pencils. And we got some brushes. Not too bad. Is it my favorite box that I've ever gotten? By no means no. But it's worth it just to have this, and everything else is just kind of like a bonus. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.